Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a solar pathway light. And you see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for the one that we got right here is an 8-pack. If you guys turn on the side, they do probably got some specs and features on the product. But first, I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So first thing right here, they do probably got an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right underneath that, we do have all different parts. So since all of them are the same, let me just take out one of them to show you guys how to set it up. So we only need one of these and one pack of this. So let's take out both of them to show you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Alright, so once you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you see the size of the product is definitely bigger than the one that I viewed in the past. But top part right here, we see we do have the solar panel. And they do have this part that is one peel out. So just like this. Once you guys do take it out, that is what the top part looks like. For the bottom part right here is where you're going to insert the pole, which I'll show you guys in a second. And then for this part, you guys want to take it out by twisting it. And that is basically what the inside looks like. So in order for the product to work, you guys need to peel this part out. And once you guys do that, you're going to push the part right here to turn it on. And we see the LED light that's on here is pretty bright. And then for this part right here is where you're going to insert the battery. But when you guys do purchase the product, they do provide guys battery for you. So you don't need to actually have your own battery. And since the product does have solar charging option, you don't have to actually recharge the battery by itself. It should do automatically if you guys put it in direct sunlight. But we see right now how we do have it on. If you guys do put it in direct sunlight, it does turn off. If I do turn it back this way and cover the actual solar panel, it does turn on. So basically once it's sunlight, it will turn off. But once it does not get any sunlight on it, it will turn on by itself, which is pretty cool. But once you guys do set that up, you guys can close it back up. Just like that. And now you can insert the bottom part. So let's open this up and take one out since all of them are the same. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So then take this part out and flip it around. And so insert this onto the bottom. And then once you guys do set it up, you guys can insert this onto your grass or anywhere else so that we can use it as a pathway light. And if you guys notice for the color that we do have right here is cold white. They do have a warm white option as well. So if you guys prefer like a yellowish color, you can get that one instead. But for me personally, I do like the white color instead. And when you guys do use the product, it doesn't matter where you put it. They mention how it is water resistant, frost resistant, and also heat resistant. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over to a darker setting to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. So here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. Let me turn off the light to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys do set it up, this is what the product looks like. And we see how it does give you guys a really good coverage when you guys do set it up. And we guys know that the light is actually really bright. And it does give you guys a really good coverage when you guys do set it up, which is pretty cool. If you guys do turn right on the light, it does turn off by itself. If you guys turn it back off, it does turn back on. So you can see the product definitely does work. And it does give you guys a really good coverage when you guys do set it up, which is pretty cool. Welcome back guys. So nice so quick test of product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. If you see how you guys do it in dark setting, it actually looks pretty nice. It does give you guys a really strong light that's on here, even though there's only one light bulb that's on there compared to a lot of other solar light. It's actually very bright. But you see when you guys do test the product, it does turn off by itself when there is light. And once it does get dark, it will turn on the light, which is pretty cool. And one thing to remember about this light is the fact that it always stays on unless if you guys do turn it off manually on the actual product. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys will need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality solar pathway light. Like you use it in your backyard, your front door, or anywhere else, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.